Buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Now that you're done with Module 1, we're going to continue on to Module 2. Make sure that you are using your VHL online textbook, watching the tutorials to learn the information, learn the vocabulary, and doing your online homework. Here you can see the VHL website link, as well as how to record your partner dialogues in Zoom if you have 3 people, and in either VHL or Zoom if you have 2 people in your group. Now, you can just use Zoom, it's no problem. Since we're recording these activities in Zoom, you do not have to record them in VHL if you do it via Zoom. Okay? You're just doing these activities one time. We're just using a different program if you have 3 people in your group because VHL does not allow for it. Now, going back up, you can see all of the activities due for Module 2. These activities are due Sunday at 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. You have your very first oral presentation, and you have your very first composition, which you can see here below your online homework. So, make sure you're scheduling your VHL partner dialogues, and go ahead and look at the oral presentation. Now, what are you going to do? You're going to film a 2-minute long video of you describing what you do on the weekend using the present tense of ser and estar and AR regular verbs. Don't forget to include 5 PowerPoint slides with your visuals of your weekend activities. Now, I do not want to see a lot of text. I don't want you to read from the PowerPoint, and please do not write down a script and read from it. If I can tell that you are reading from your script, then you're going to get 50% of your grade taken off automatically, just because I can tell. Okay? So, go ahead and give it your best shot. You'll do great. I have posted below here an example of my video thread version. I will post it in video thread as well. You do not need to comment on that. But you do have a list of partners, and you're going to comment on your partner's oral presentation. So if you go below, there is Partners for Oral Presentation 1. This will be sent to you in an email as well as posted under announcements. So, do your oral presentation, upload it to video thread. You will see the previous introduction videos. It's not a problem. Everything goes to the same spot. Watch your partner's oral presentation. So if you're Catherine, you're going to watch Tim's and vice versa. You're going to reply to your video, your partner's video orally with 3 things you learned, saying 1 great thing that they did well and 1 thing that they could improve upon. Now remember, be kind to each other, please, because we're all beginners. Okay? Then you're going to go back to Module 2, and you have a composition. Now, this composition will open up for you to do your rough draft starting yesterday at 6 a.m., and that closes at Sunday, 11:59 p.m. Okay? You will take it in the quiz section of D2L. Okay? It will go straight there once you clicked on rough draft, and you have 1.5 hours to complete the rough draft using your online textbook or your printed textbook. Okay, you can use these. You will find out the prompt when you open up the rough draft. When you're done with the rough draft, that's 50% of your grade. I will give you comments. Then you will do a final draft where you make the changes that I have highlighted and commented on, and that will be another 50% of your composition grade. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me. I will once again post the VoiceThread example of my presentation on VoiceThread right now. You can find it under Presentaciones Orales, under Partners. Here's my example. Okay? If you have any questions or concerns, please let me know. This is an online course, so it's important for you to go to the course home and to watch these videos. I will be giving you clearly step-by-step instructions of how to do all of the assignments. So if you're not watching these and then you're emailing me to ask questions, you're missing it here. So make sure you watch these. I'll remind you as well. One more thing, if you have any problems at all with your online workbook or D2L, make sure that you email or call them first and then email me to advise me of the issue. You can find that information under announcements, and since I've posted more, go to show all. You can also find it under how to and under the various modules. So there are many places where you can find the help information. It's emailing D2L at email.arizona.edu for D2L, and for VHL, you call 1-800-248-2813. then email me at waitsw@email.arizona.edu. I hope this has been clear. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. If you have any trouble, let me know. But as you know, I do not answer emails over the weekend. So I will be back online Monday to answer any questions if you have any trouble after 6 p.m. Mountain Time on Friday, which is tomorrow. Okay? Thanks, guys. Have a great weekend. Muchísimas gracias. Que tengan muy buen fin de semana. Lo agradezco.